Many learners memorize one sentence. They say it perfectly one time. But then someone asks a different question and they don't know what to say. Why does this happen? Because they memorize words. They did not learn the structure. A structure is a pattern. Like a formula you can use again and again with different words. Today, that changes. In this episode, you will not just learn sentences. You will learn the pattern behind the sentences. Once you understand the pattern, you can build hundreds of new sentences by yourself. We will look at 5 simple structures: name, origin, job or study, age, and interests. Interests means the things you like. Let's start. Name. The basic pattern uses the verb to be. This verb has 3 short forms: am, is, and are. We use a different form for each subject. A subject is the person we are talking about. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Here is the full pattern. I plus am. You plus are. He slash she slash it plus is. We plus are. They plus are. Now let's use this with names. I am Sarah. You are Tom. He is Jack. She is Mina. We are classmates. They are teachers. You can also use a longer structure with name. My name is Sarah. His name is Tom. Her name is Sarah. Both short and long forms are correct and common. Origin. The pattern here is subject plus am slash is slash are plus from plus place. I am from Iran. You are from Turkey. He is from Japan. She is from Italy. We are from Tehran. They are from Tokyo. Notice the word from. This word connects a person to a place. There is a second way to say this, using the verb live. Live means to have your home in a place. Subject plus live slash lives plus in plus place. I live in Tehran. You live in Tehran. He lives in Tokyo. She lives in Rome. We live in the same city. They live in New York. Notice with I, you, we, they, we use live. With he, she, it, we add an extra s, lives. This small change happens with almost every verb in this tense. So remember it well. Job or study. The pattern is subject plus am slash is slash are plus a slash an plus job. I am a teacher. You are a doctor. He is an engineer. She is an artist. We are students. They are nurses. Notice, before a job, we usually need a or an. If you are a student, there is a different structure using the verb study. Subject plus study slash studies plus subject. I study medicine. You study law. He studies computer science. She studies economics. We study English together. They study art. Again, I, you, we, they study. He, she, it studies with an extra s. Age. In English, we use am slash is slash are for age, not have. This is different from many other languages. Subject plus am slash is slash are plus number plus years old. I am 25 years old. You are 18 years old. He is 30 years old. She is 40 years old. We are the same age. They are 20 years old. A common mistake is saying, I have 25 years. This is wrong in English, even if it is correct in your first language. Remember, age uses am slash is slash are, exactly like name and job. Interests. The pattern is subject plus like slash likes plus noun or verb plus ing. I like music. You like coffee. He likes football. She likes painting. We like traveling. They like cooking. Notice I, you, we, they like. He, she, it likes with an extra S, the same small change as before. After like, you can use a simple noun such as music, football, or a verb ending in ing, such as painting, traveling, cooking. You can also talk about things you don't like using do not or does not. Subject plus do not slash does not plus like plus noun slash verb plus ing. I do not like coffee. You do not like loud music. He does not like waking up early. He does not like waking up early. She does not like spicy food. We do not like waiting. They do not like cold weather. Notice I, you, we, they do not. He, she, it does not. Now, let's connect all 5 structures into one short introduction. Listen to the pattern, not just the words. I am Sarah. I am from Tehran. I am a nurse. I am 28 years old. I like painting and I do not like loud music. Here is a second example with he, using different information but the same structures. He is Tom. He is from New York. He studies computer science. He is 21 years old. He likes playing chess. And a third example with they. They are our new classmates. They are from Tokyo. They study medicine. They are 23 years old. They like traveling. Same patterns every time. Only the words change. This is the real skill. Not memorizing one paragraph, but understanding a system you can fill with your own information or someone else. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try to say 5 sentences about yourself using the 5 structures we just learned. Your name, where you are from, your job or study, your age, something you like or do not like. Do not worry about mistakes. Focus on using the structure. Now, pause the video and try. Well done. Now, try one more thing. Describe a friend or family member using he or she instead of I. This will help you practice the is slash studies slash likes forms too. Next time someone asks you to introduce yourself or asks you to introduce a friend, do not search your memory for a perfect sentence. Think about this structure and build your own sentence with your own information. This is how real fluency starts, not with memorized phrases, but with patterns you can use again and again. Thank you for your listening to another episode of Easy English Real Word. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.